What is the best nutrition for electrolyte imbalance? Electrolytes are essential minerals that dissolve in liquids and carry an electric charge. These minerals include potassium, magnesium, calcium, sodium, phosphate, chloride, and bicarbonates. They are crucial for numerous bodily functions and are found in various fluids in our bodies, such as blood, sweat, urine, and even in the fluid between our cells. So, why are electrolytes important? The body relies on electrolytes to perform many automatic functions essential for survival. These tiny charged particles facilitate several key processes. 1. Nerve and muscle function. Electrolytes help transmit electrical signals that enable nerve cells to communicate and muscles to contract and relax properly. For instance, calcium is vital for muscle contractions, while potassium is essential for nerve signaling. 2. Heart rhythm. Maintenance. The heart's regular beat depends on the proper balance of electrolytes. An imbalance can lead to arrhythmias, which are irregular heartbeats that can be serious or even life-threatening. 3. Nutrient and waste transport. Electrolytes help move nutrients into cells and waste products out of cells, maintaining cellular health and function. Sodium, for example, plays a key role in nutrient absorption in the intestines. 4. Blood pressure regulation. Sodium and potassium are particularly important in regulating blood pressure. They help maintain the right amount of fluid in the blood vessels, ensuring that blood pressure remains within a healthy range. 5. Fluid balance and pH level maintenance. Electrolytes ensure that the fluids in our bodies are balanced. They also maintain the proper pH levels in our blood and tissues, which is crucial for normal cellular activities. The human body is about 60% water, so maintaining this balance is vital for overall health. So, how can we get electrolytes from food? A balanced diet is the best way to get the electrolytes your body needs. Here are some foods rich in essential electrolytes. Vegetables and leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and broccoli are high in magnesium and potassium. Fruits. Bananas, oranges, and avocados are excellent sources of potassium. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, cashews, and sunflower seeds provide magnesium and other minerals. Legumes. Beans and lentils are rich in potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Dairy products. Milk, cheese, and yogurt are good sources of calcium. Certain fish and seafood. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are high in magnesium and calcium. Lean meats. Chicken and beef provide a good amount of sodium and potassium. Processed and ultra-processed foods, on the other hand, typically lack these essential minerals unless they are specifically fortified. These foods are often high in sugar, salt, fat, and refined carbohydrates, which do not contribute to electrolyte balance. So, how does our body lose and replace electrolytes? Our bodies lose electrolytes through sweat and urine. However, in most cases, a healthy diet replenishes what we lose. Here's how different activities and conditions affect electrolyte loss. 1. Physical activity. During intense or prolonged exercise, we sweat more and lose more electrolytes. This is why athletes often need to replenish their electrolytes more frequently. 2. Heat exposure. Hot weather increases sweating, leading to greater electrolyte loss. 3. Illness. Conditions that cause vomiting or diarrhea can lead to significant electrolyte loss, especially if these symptoms are severe or prolonged. This is particularly concerning in children, who are more susceptible to dehydration and electrolyte imbalances. 4. Age. Older adults might have a decreased ability to absorb and excrete certain electrolytes, including sodium. This can affect fluid balance and increase the risk of imbalances. So, what are the signs of an electrolyte imbalance? An electrolyte imbalance can manifest in various symptoms. Here are some common signs. Fatigue. Feeling unusually tired or weak can be a sign of an imbalance. Headache. Persistent headaches may indicate that your electrolyte levels are off. Nausea. An imbalance can cause digestive issues, including nausea. Muscle cramps or spasms. Electrolytes like potassium and magnesium are critical for muscle function, and an imbalance can cause cramps or spasms. Irregular heartbeat. Changes in electrolyte levels can lead to arrhythmias or irregular heartbeats. Blood pressure changes. Sodium and potassium levels directly influence blood pressure, and an imbalance can cause fluctuations. Numbness or tingling. Low levels of calcium can cause numbness or tingling in the fingers and toes. Irritability and confusion. Electrolyte imbalances can affect brain function, leading to mood changes and confusion. So, how to diagnose and treat electrolyte imbalance? If you suspect an electrolyte imbalance, a simple urine or blood test can diagnose the issue. The treatment typically involves replenishing the missing electrolytes. This can be done through dietary adjustments, increasing the intake of foods rich in the deficient electrolyte. Supplements. Taking specific electrolyte supplements as recommended by a healthcare provider. Medications. In some cases, medications may be needed to address the underlying cause of the imbalance. IV fluids. In severe cases, intravenous fluids may be necessary to quickly restore electrolyte balance. So, should you use electrolyte powders? Electrolyte powders and drinks can be useful, especially for athletes or those recovering from illness. However, it's important to be cautious. Many of these products contain high levels of sugar, both real and artificial, and other additives that might not be beneficial. Here's what to watch out for. 1. High sugar content. Some powders contain more sugar than necessary, which can lead to an imbalance in itself or other health issues. 2. Artificial additives. Many products contain artificial colors, flavors, and sweeteners, which might cause adverse reactions in some people. 3. Overuse risks. Overusing these supplements can skew your electrolyte balance. If you experience side effects such as swelling of the feet or ankles, dizziness, unusual weakness, or mood changes, it's wise to stop using the product and consult a healthcare provider. So, in conclusion, for most people, the best way to maintain healthy electrolyte levels is through a balanced diet and staying hydrated. Unless there's a specific medical condition or you're involved in intense physical activities that lead to significant electrolyte loss, dietary sources should suffice. If you ever need to use supplements, do so with caution and ideally under medical supervision. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on this video right over here.